Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Don't ever feel like you have to silence your voice. If something matters to you, if you disagree with how things are going, if you're not happy in your relationship, if you're not happy with the way you're being treated, if you're not happy with how everything is going, then you should never be silent. Your voice matters. Speak up. If you feel like someone's taking advantage of you, speak up and tell them, because the minute you decide to do that, you're actually choosing them over you. You're choosing to accommodate them. You're choosing to accommodate their feelings, their emotions, their character over yourself. You should never have to choose other people before you. You come first. You have to make sure that you're choosing yourself at all times. Don't enable people because you think that that's going to make them uncomfortable. For example, at work, if you have a manager or a boss that's always taking advantage of you and they treat you unfairly, the minute you decide to continue and just work and not say anything, then they're forever going to continue that behavior. You're enabling that behavior. They're not just going to treat you like that, but they're going to treat someone else as well. If you feel like there's some sort of discrimination or you're not being treated well, you should definitely speak up, because that will affect you in the long run. Don't choose to accommodate other people and put yourself last and put yourself at risk. You matter equally as much as they do. So speak up. Even if it's in relationship, your voice matters. What kind of partnership will it be if you feel like you have to filter and censor yourself every single time? Even in life, you can't live through life censoring yourself because of how you think other people will react on how you affect other people. Of course, don't be rude, but speak your truth at all times. If you truly believe something is wrong, then you should speak up. Don't be silent and enable that behavior. Don't be silent and choose other people before yourself. Speak up. Your voice matters. So if you're currently going through a situation where you feel like you're being treated unfairly, or you feel like people are taking advantage of you, or you feel like something is just not right, speak up. Your voice matters just as much as the loudest person in the room. Your voice matters and you can make a difference. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.